All right. So when I developed this program, one of the things that attracted to me was being able to get more minority businesses, banks, to participate in this industry because it was a growing industry. But I also understood that there were some opportunities for them, and some scares, some liabilities, and some things that would keep smaller banks and minority banks away from this. So can you talk to me about why you think, how this a our system helps bridge the gap between the state back money and minority banks to be able to participate in this growing industry that we call commercial cannabis?
So this definitely going to be more of a back and forth because,
Mhm.
I always say, Simone, I learned a lot from you, and there's a lot I didn't know about. I thought I knew about the financial industry, inner working of laws, and people say that I know a lot about policy. God has blessed me to know a couple things out here in these streets, but you are extremely smart on financial related policy, laws, and statutes. And so,
I
from
took a
my
lot of
limited,
tests. I've
huh?
taken a lot of tests. I've taken a lot
Yes,
of tests.
and you passed them tests. It ain't easy passing tests
No,
out
I've
here,
taken a
people.
lot of tests. Mhm.
And so, from my limited experience, one of the things that I think is important is this is something that gives the minority banks a tool that will help them with the underwriting and will help them with the compliance management so that they don't have to have if they decide to get into this line of banking, they don't have the challenge of trying to hire 20 or 30 people to do the reporting that's required through the federal guidelines of what you have to do in terms of uh, bank secrecy reporting and other reports that you have to give to the Department of Treasury and FDIC and Federal Reserve. But you educated me as we were talking leading into this of some more benefits that I didn't know.